You chase big ideas every day, right? But you often end up stuck with tools that cost a lot and don't help much. Most people juggle separate subscriptions, wasting money while dreams gather dust. What if you could combine every AI model in one spot to be your personal therapist, business coach, and startup buddy, turning random thoughts into real income and clearer thinking? Today, I'm sharing 4 simple ways to use ChatLLM teams to boost your mindset, start ventures that make money, and more. Here's the sweet deal. ChatLLM Teams puts every major AI into one easy dashboard, so forget multiple logins and extra costs. You get o1, o4, GPT 4.1, Claude 4, Gemini 2.5, DeepSeek, Grok 4, and more, each good at different things. Grok 4 gives creative boosts for business ideas. Claude 4 does planning like a coach. And Root LLM picks the best model automatically. It's cheaper than buying each tool alone, with 2 million compute points monthly for over 15 million input tokens on top models like Sonnet or GPT-4o. Data is safe, hosted in the United States, not going to China or used for training. By the way, head over to chatllm.abacus.ai right now. Click the link in the description and pinned comment to sign up for just $10 a month. Some models like Abacus Smaug, DeepSeek Fast, and Llama 405B are unlimited and free. Track usage with message indicators, buy more with rollover, cancel through profile, and billing anytime. But let's talk about how to use this for easy breakthroughs. First, make images and videos to create content that earns money on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. No design skills needed. In ChatLLM, pick Flux or DALL-E for images and prompt Penguin Walking Beach. Get pro visuals fast, up to 400 premium ones from compute points. Switch to video gen with Kling or Runway for shorts. Same prompt, Penguin Walking Beach. Make 55-second videos a month, included. Take the creator behind the I made $15,000 posting AI shorts video, who posted boring content with no views until he made catchy shorts on startup tips. Now his YouTube gets ad money and sponsorships, adding thousands extra monthly while he sleeps. And the next feature helps every single one of us. Use the Humanize feature to make AI text sound more natural, so it passes as your own writing. From what I saw, this is great for college essays, emails, or reports. Because if you've ever used AI, you know how easy it is to spot that robotic tone. It rewrites output to avoid detectors, keeping your work authentic and undetectable. Now let's try it with this prompt. Write a 5,000-character essay about the pursuit of happiness. As you can see, it became ChatGPT detector-proof after a couple of clicks, making the essay read like something you wrote yourself. You know that awkward feeling when text sounds too perfect? This fixes it fast, letting you send confident work. Third, try ChatLLM, built-in VS Code editor free with subscription, to build startups and automate income like pros. In chat mode, prompt, please create a nice and modern learning website for fast API, beginner-friendly. It writes, fixes, runs code with DeepSeek for unlimited free queries, as in demo clip. Peter Levels, at LevelsCO on X, shows this. He launched over 40 startups alone, using AI coding for sites like Nomad List and Remote OK, earning hundreds of thousands monthly after failures. He said 95% flopped, but these tools let him fix fast and succeed. You look at code lessons thinking it's for geniuses, then quit. But this lets you create like Levels, turning "I can do this" into real cash. Fourth, use Deep Agent and AI Engineer to create websites to custom bots, handling tough parts for fast growth. Deep Agent takes prompts like, make me a dashboard of summary of all the open Jira issues reported by me in the last 3 sprints. It builds sites, apps, docs, travel plans, short videos, or AI tools. AI Engineer links GitHub for custom chatbots. People love it. One user built a coaching bot in one go. Imagine startup change gets messy until Deep Agent plans and makes assets. Add team at $10 each monthly. Link Slack, Teams, Google Drive, or OneDrive for joint bots. These 4 ways make ChatLLM Teams your best helper, mixing AIs to guide thoughts, make paying content, code projects, automate success. Don't feel stuck another day. Go to ChatLLM now and try a prompt.